Good morning, Standard 6 students. In my previous video, I taught you nouns and also taught you the kinds of nouns. Do you know how many kinds of nouns are there? Yes, there are 5 kinds of noun. That is proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. So today in this video I am going to show you the use of collective noun with the words that I have written for you. So let's start. Now dear students, you can see use of collective nouns. Now here I have written some words for you, and what will be the appropriate collective noun with the words that I have written over here. Now let's go to the question number A. A dash of bees. So what collective noun I can write for bees? So here you see I am writing the answer. A swarm. The correct a swarm of bees. Now you see B. A dash of singers. So what will be the collective noun that goes with singers? I can say a choir. You see, choir of singers. Now see C. A dash of flowers. What collective noun I can use with flowers? Yes, a bunch of flowers, or you can write a bouquet of flowers. You see, a bunch of flowers, a bouquet of flowers. Now D. A dash of hay. So what will be the collective noun with the hay? A bundle of hay. So BUND. Now a dash of footballers. So what will be the collective noun with the footballers? So you can write a team of footballers. F. A dash of wolves. So what I can write? A pack of wolves. The pack is the collective noun that goes with wolves. A dash of students. What I can use? Class. A class of students. Now you see the next, a dash of robbers. So what collective noun I can write over here? A gang of robbers. You see, gang is the collective noun that goes with robbers. A dash of sheep. So what the collective noun will be given over here? A flock. A flock of sheep. A dash of fish. A shoal. Shoal is the collective noun that is to write with the fish. A dash of cattle. So what I can write? A herd of cattle. A dash of people. So what I can write? A crowd. A crowd of people. A dash of stones. So what collective noun I can write for the stones? Yes, heap. A heap of stones. Now you see a dash of books. So what collective noun I can write for this books? Yes, a collection. Because there are many collection of books, so collection is the collective noun that goes with books. A dash of lions. So what will be the? A pride. A pride of lions. A dash of stars. So what will be the collective noun? A cluster of stars. So here you see I have written the collective noun that goes with the words that I have written for you. I hope you have understood. So in my next video I am going to teach you more about grammar. Have a nice day. Thank you.